Welcome back to That LA Garage. I'm going to give you a quick intro because there's a second intro. We're at the tail of the Dragon. We came here when we had 1,000 miles on the engine. Now we're up to 2,000 miles. Car's running great. We stumbled upon the tail of the Dragon. We wanted to come, but we got onto it and we didn't even know we were on it till we saw this McLaren. Just happens to be, he's a YouTuber. I'm gonna introduce you to him in a later clip. And we just had a blast. We were just blasting through the roads. He showed me around because he's a local, and absolutely amazing time. The roads, absolutely amazing. I actually wanted to do the introduction after I ran it because I didn't want to, tell you the generic bullshit people usually tell you. Tail of the Dragon, 318 turns, blah, blah, blah. I needed to know, like some juicy stuff. Because, you go on the internet, people say, oh, you don't go that fast, don't passing, and this and that, which is true, don't pass. And there was no need for passing, and that's what I want to like push on and like just tell you from my experiences. Number one, the turns here are banked like in a race car. Unbelievable. You have so much lateral grip and you have a lot of compression coming out of the turns. Awesome feeling. If you do come behind a slower car, which happens, you have it's a regular road, a lot of people just driving through, but the locals and everybody, they have no problem with it. It seems like, at least to me, because they keep they'll pull off the road and just wave you by. But there's like certain spots, every like few turns, there's like a pull off area that you could just pull off, let somebody pass and get back onto the road. It's really cool. It's like out of a video game or movies, this road. It's none like I've ever seen before. It's like more of like a racetrack, if anything. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. A lot to absorb. We had a great time filming this one, and hopefully we'll make more of this type, if anything. So keep watching and stay tuned. So welcome back to That LA Garage. Today is a different type of episode. Today we're in Nashville, Tennessee. This is part of Nashville?
I think we're actually in Tennessee right this second.
We're right on the North Carolina-Tennessee border.
Yeah, I think if I go like 100 yards that way, it's North Carolina.
So my goal was to hit the tail of the Dragon, and then I kind of like just got onto it, and then I saw this beautiful car, right? And I'm like, all right, they have to know. And I asked like the group of people, there's a bunch of people taking pictures of the car at the time, and I'm like, hey, is this the tail of the Dragon? They're like, yeah, you're already on it. I'm like, oh, okay, great. So then I decided
there isn't like a sign or anything. It is just a road.
No,
right? Until you get to this part of it.
Yes. What gives it kind of like the feeling like you're into somewhere that's special is the bank turns. That is like unnecessary but amazing, absolutely amazing on a regular road. So I just met this guy.
Adam from Driven Nashville. Chris is the owner here. We just went to McLaren Charlotte literally yesterday. Yeah. We arrived at 5 o'clock. The sun's setting. It's a beautiful day, right? They just happen to have this thing. He got an allocation. This is number 64 of 765 Spiders ever to be produced. So a very hard car to get. This is actually his second 765. He had the coupe as well, and he liked this better. This is better, right?
It just gives you everything that you'd want in a car and more. So
way more car than you could truly exploit.
Yeah, absolutely. From the sounds to the handling to the acceleration, the performance.
They give you, it's a lot of money, but it's a lot of car. If you can afford it, and you could be in that exclusive club, like just go for it. It's unbelievable. The driving today, wow.
I don't know. I drove behind him, and watching the air brakes, the wing go up was absolutely amazing.
Yep.
And also he was really cooking it on the road.
Yep.
And
you kept up.
And it's a rear-wheel drive car. I'm
In a 997 turbo. It's like a decade-old car, and he's like right there. I'm like, what is going on?
I'm like, I'm in the right spot today.
Then he's like, it's 650 horsepower. I'm like, okay, I got it. What's up, guys? This guy was the guy that was behind me in the Porsche 997 turbo, right?
997.2 turbo, yes.
Turbo, yes.
Yes.
Not a manual?
No, it's a
Okay.
PDK.
Okay, about to say, I didn't think he'd keep up in a manual. So he did an amazing job. How much power is that thing putting?
Right now I'm on low boost. I'm at 650.
650, because you were keeping up with me. And that's
Yeah.
all-wheel drive, so that's how you were
Yes.
able to.
Yeah, well, I noticed that you had to get off the throttle a lot sooner than I did. I could stay into it and really crank it in the,
Well, because all-wheel drive is all-wheel drive.
It is.
This thing only has 305 rears, and so it's just hard to put all that power down. I mean, the traction control is flashing quite often.
Mine went off very few times. It also only when I really got on it, but there's no space to really get on it.
Let's be honest, though, it's incredible that you were even keeping up, though, in a car that is what, 10 years old now, almost 8 years old. So.
Pictures of your car.
Don't worry.
I'm still shocked at this whole experience. I kind of just fell onto the tail of the I got onto the tail of the dragon. Met this awesome dude. He showed me around, showed me the trail. Oh my god. And I wasn't expecting everybody to just, pull off. Everybody's so gracious and nice about it,
Yeah, that was, I think it was helpful that it was two of us, right? This is not a stock one, because I've reviewed that car. It's fantastic. It's a great collectible car. You should absolutely buy one, but it doesn't run like that. Let me tell you. It's very soft. Stock ones are very soft.
But we can get them that fast, easily.
Yeah, your boy can hook you up, it sounds like. And it smells good, It's got that nice exhaust note. It's cooking.
All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll show you the rest of the video, the drive that we just had, and keep watching.
Porsche's behind me. Never get old. Unbelievable. This car defies the laws of physics.
Thank you so much for watching. A big thank you to Adam from Driven Nashville. Thanks, awesome collaboration. I'll tag him in the bottom of this video. Thank you so much to my amazing wife for making this trip happen and spending the late hours building this motor with me. Babe, we made it. We made it to the Dragon with the motor we built. It was an awesome achievement. We had a great time making this episode. I want to make a lot more like this in the future. The Smoky Mountains, Tail of the Dragon, have a big part of my heart right now. I think it's going to be an annual trip. If you're a car enthusiast, you got to make your way down here. Absolutely beautiful. Best road I've ever been on. So till next video, if you ain't got haters, you ain't popping.